And the creation of the live room is really important to get viewers into your live rooms. Then the dynamic of the live streamer, of how well she speaks basically, and how you write the script, is going to keep them in and convert them. But the CTR, the click-through rate, is determined by how well the visuals are. So I'm going to teach you how to create all those graphics here. All you need is ChatGPT. Then you need an inspiration. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And that's all you need. So let's begin. So first, the inspiration. I like this, how this live room was done. I just plugged it in ChatGPT and I asked it, I want this one in English. It made this one in English. I wanted to remove like everything, but it didn't do it. Then I asked it to remake it selling makeup because I wanted to make this one makeup. Then it created like a bad ratio. This is not the correct ratio. And I asked it, create it in the original ratio, and it did it. And then I asked it to remove the live streamer, and it created this. And this is the live room. I downloaded this live room, click save, and this is the live room here. This is the live room. So we take the live room, we upload it here, and it's gonna upload it. And then let's open up a new room. Then I click, and it's gonna paste it here. Double click, layer, move to the bottom. Now I have her. But you see, like, she's not behind the live room. So I'm gonna put her behind, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to screenshot the table, including this element. Screenshot, click, 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 and it's going to remove the background. Click, 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 everything is removed. Now I'm gonna download this image. I come up here, click, upload, click, take this image. I already have it here, as you can see, it's the same image. Click, I'm gonna click on this one, and it's gonna load it here. And now I'm gonna align it like this. It's perfectly aligned. Now I'm gonna click layer management, and I'm gonna put her in between. Boom. Now she's behind the table. And this is how you create a live room. And you can do that with anything. Let's say you sell makeup. Let's say this is your business, makeup store. I'm gonna copy this. Let the live room sell this. And it's going to create an image. And you can do the same. You can do cats, you can do Tesla. So it created this image. I'm going to do the same. Save image. Syntopia. There you go. Click. Boom. This is the image. I'm gonna come up here, upload, take the image, upload it here. Image uploaded. Click. And now I need click. There you go. Download. Click. Then click. Click, we put Lena in between, and now she's behind. And now she can live stream. So let's build a live room. Let's say you sell this. I'm gonna go creating and paste the script. I'm going to pick a voice. I think that's okay.
Welcome to my live stream.
I can test the voice here.
Stop scrolling for a second because if you wear makeup, this is going to upgrade your entire routine while saving you money at the same time. Right now you're looking at Makeup Store, known for professional level cosmetics with clean formulas and long-lasting performance.
Try again.
Stop scrolling for a second because if you wear makeup, this is going to upgrade your entire routine while saving you money at the...
I think it's okay. I'm gonna take the rest. Create a script. Paste. Script. And I may wanna make this one a lot longer, just for the sake of this paste. If you haven't seen the other tutorials where we walk you through the interaction, the Q&A, and the settings and all that, please watch the other videos. But for now, I'm going to change this one to TikTok. And I'm going to select peer-to-peer. On this one I'm going to select thank you for following me. On this one I'm going to select peer-to-peer again, and I'm gonna do like this to make it a little bit more interactive. And the Q&A is already set up, and the settings is already set up, and I'm gonna go live. Click, and I'm gonna publish this. Publish. Start broadcast. TikTok. Live Studio US. I'm gonna get LLM as well. Okay. 3 minutes. Done. In 3 minutes she's gonna go live. Now she's live. The way we go live is simple. OBS, and we also need TikTok Live Studio. And she's already live on OBS, but I will show you how to take the live and push it on OBS. You copy this stream here, you go to OBS, you double click, and you paste it here. Boom, there you go, and you click OK. And now she's here. Adjust this, make it like this.
That it adapts well.
I'll give this thing a second to load. So,
but don't quite get with cheaper products. Then you move into the eyeshadow palettes. These are highly pigmented, easy to blend, and
now I can go live, and I'm gonna go live. And now we're live. And now let's go and find the live. Let's give it a second. There you go. Now we're live.
comfort. It just stays in place and looks clean. Right now is where it gets interesting because the pricing makes it very easy to upgrade everything at once instead of buying piece by piece over time. There are bundle options that give you a full routine for less than what people usually spend on just 1 or 2 premium products. That's why you're seeing people go for multiple items instead of just testing one thing. If you're thinking about whether it's worth it, the simplest way to look at it is this. You're already spending money on makeup. The question is whether you're getting the result you actually want. Yes, I am an AI avatar. I am Rosa and I am the live host for Syntopia, which is an AI live commerce platform for TikTok shop sellers and affiliates. It adapts well to different skin types and gives you that clean finish people usually try to achieve but don't quite get with cheaper products. Welcome to the Livestream studio. Great to have you here. Then you move into the eyeshadow palettes. These are highly pigmented, easy to blend, and designed so even if you're not experienced you can still get a professional looking result. You can keep it simple for everyday wear or build it up into something more dramatic without needing multiple products. I was created by the Syntopia team. Syntopia is an AI live commerce platform built specifically for TikTok shop sellers and affiliates. Learn more at syntopia.ai. The lip, that's what most people are actually trying to achieve, not a heavy layer. Then when you move to the eyes, the pigment shows up immediately, so you're not layering over and over again trying to get color. It blends in seconds, which makes your routine faster and more reliable, especially if you're getting ready quickly. Right now is where it gets interesting because the pricing makes it very easy to upgrade everything at once instead of buying piece by piece over time. That's why you're seeing people go for multiple items instead of just testing one thing. If you're thinking about whether it's worth it, the simplest way to look at it is this. Yes, size S is available. Click the yellow basket to order now. Shipping time is 2 to 4 days. I am not a real person. I am an AI avatar and everything you are hearing is being generated in real time by the Syntopia platform. There is no human speaking behind me. You're already spending money on makeup. The question is whether you're getting the result you actually want. If not, switching to something that performs better immediately changes how everything looks without needing to learn anything new. Welcome to the live stream Lazaula. Great to have you here. Another thing people overlook is how products behave under different conditions. Welcome to the live stream viewer Ferreira. Great to have you here. Indoor lighting, outdoor light, photos, video, long days, all of that matters. As an AI avatar, I do not have an age in the way that a person does. I am here to help you understand how the Syntopia platform works and answer any questions you have.
If your concern is skin sensitivity or daily wear, these are made to be worn regularly without irritating your skin, which is why they're trusted by professionals. Most people who switch to this level of product don't go back because once you see the difference in how it looks and lasts, it becomes obvious what was missing before. As you're watching this, people are already picking up the bundles because that's where the best value is right now. If you want to upgrade your routine, this is the moment to do it while the offers are still active. Go ahead and select what you need, check out, and you'll immediately notice the difference the next time you apply your makeup. Most people don't realize how much their makeup routine is holding them back until they switch to better products, and that's exactly what's happening here. You can have the right brushes, the right technique, watch all the tutorials, but if the products aren't performing properly, your results will always look average. Yes, all makeup is organic. Yes, all makeup is made non-toxic. We avoid any heavy metals and toxins, and we have third-party testing for all our makeup. Welcome to the live stream, Viewer Davis. Viewer Felix Aihui. Great to have you here. From there you can build, but even just those changes will be noticeable straight away. That's usually when people realize how much of a difference product quality actually makes.